Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pudding with whipping cream. First, gather your ingredients: 1 package of instant pudding mix, 2 cups of cold milk, and 1 cup of cold, heavy whipping cream. Make sure both the milk and cream are thoroughly chilled. You'll also need a large mixing bowl and an electric mixer to combine everything smoothly. This simple recipe is perfect for a quick dessert. Now, let's get mixing. In your large bowl, combine the instant pudding mix with the 2 cups of cold milk. Whisk these together using your electric mixer on medium speed for about 2 minutes, or until the mixture begins to thicken. In a separate, clean bowl, whip the 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms soft, fluffy peaks. This step adds incredible richness and airiness to your pudding. Once your whipped cream is gently folded into the pudding, it's time to prepare for chilling. Carefully spoon the creamy mixture into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Cover each dish tightly with plastic wrap, ensuring the wrap touches the surface of the pudding to prevent a film from forming. Place the pudding in the refrigerator for a minimum of 4 hours, allowing it to set perfectly. Your delicious homemade pudding is now ready to enjoy. Before serving, you can add a delightful touch by garnishing it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings, or a dollop of extra whipped cream. Serve it immediately to experience its wonderfully creamy texture and rich flavor. For more great kitchen finds and deals, including those leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, check the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy dessert making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.